Today, we are jumping into Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. We are going to break down what it is, who it is really for, and how it can pull your entire business. We are talking everything from finance to operations onto one single unified platform. So, here's we are going to tackle this. First, we will look at the problem that I bet a lot of you know too well. Then, we will introduce Business Central as the answer and walk through the first big choice you need to make. After that, we will see how it actually impacts your day to day, and we will wrap up by looking up at why this is so critical for future proofing your business. Okay, let's dive right in by talking about a massive headache that so many businesses are dealing with day in and day out. Look, when your most important functions your finances, your inventory, your sales, and all living in different separate systems, pretty much a recipe for chaos. You are stuck doing endless manual data entry, which, let's be honest, leads to expensive mistakes and maybe, worst of all, you can never get a clear up to the minute picture of how your business is actually doing. And this is the right here is the exact problem that Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central was built to fix. All about bringing those scattered pieces of your business back together. Oh, what is it really? Well, the key phrases here is enterprises resource planning or the ERP. You can think of it as the central nervous system for your company. It connects finance, sales, service, and all your operations into one place. It's literally designed to bring order to the chaos we are just talking about. And it's super important to get this. This is not just another accounting program, it's a full of business management hub built for small and medium sized businesses. It's kind of the perfect middle ground, more powerful than basic software, but not as complex as expensive as those giant enterprise systems. It's also the modern cloud based evolution for the classic Dynamics now. And this is the big one. It works seamlessly with the tools you probably already use every day, like Office, Microsoft Teams. Okay, let's say you are thinking this might be a fit. First major decision is all about deployment. And this isn't just a techie choice, it's a strategic one that really shapes how you will use the system down the road. You have basically got two main paths. The cloud option is a subscription model. Think of it like renting a fully serviced office. You pay as you go. It's easy to add or remove people. Microsoft takes care of all the maintenance updates. And you get all the cool new stuff like AI tools. On the other hand, you have got on premises. This is like building your own office. You have total control over your hardware and data, which is a must have for some industries. But it comes with a bigger price tag up front, and you are responsible for managing it all by yourself. So once you figured out where your system is going to live, the next big question, what exactly do you need it to do? You have got to pick the right set of your features for your business. Now, what's the actual impact on your day to day? How does it really change the way your team works? Let's look at the few areas that gets a major upgrade. Let's start with finance. The heart of any business. The number is huge. With all their data in one place and automated workflows, finance teams are reporting that they can close their books for the month up to 40 to 60% faster. I mean that this is a massive amount of time saved, less stress, and it frees your team to actually analyze the numbers instead of just punching them in. And if your business handles physical products, oh, this is a total game changer, I can say that. You can go from guessing to knowing. Business Central gives you a live look at your stock level across every single one of your locations. It helps you dodge those costly stock out with automatic alerts, and you can even get a full traceability with batch and serial number tracking. No more guesswork. This is where things get really cool because it also changes how people work together. You can literally just paste a link to a sales order into a Microsoft Teams chat and boom, it expands into this little interactive card that your team can look at and even edit right there without ever leaving the conversation. Plus, you could just tap into AI like Copilot for sales forecast. You can automate all those boring routine tasks. It really connects your business system to your modern workplace. Moving to a modern cloud based system isn't just about avoiding a security problem, it's about gaining the freedom and the collaborative tools your team needs to compete with and thrive in how we all work today. Things. So, this really brings us to the final takeaway: choosing your system business. It's not just a tech upgrade, it's a huge strategic decision. An old system can create friction and literally hold you back, but a modern unified platform like Business Central can be the engine that streamlines everything and gets your business ready for whatever comes next. So, the real question is your current system an asset or it's an anchor?